Okay, this is a follow-up video to the text I've posted above. Okay, first we need to duplicate the layer. So Command J, Control J on Windows. I'll lock that one so I don't move it about. This layer we can convert to a compound mask. So at the moment, because I've selected the layer, I can't create the compound. So we have to drag it over. Sometimes you have to press Command or Control on Windows, but it will select all the layers underneath that layer. And now we can create the compound. So click on the compound, that block fills it in. Now in order to get the stroke and no fill, you can go about changing it on here, or you can create a style beforehand and simply click on the style. And if you notice, what I've got is sharp points, adjusted the mitre, because sometimes it will get like a flat point. It doesn't really matter because it's following a very thin line, but it's just a visual thing. The stroke is 0.5 points. It's aligned to the inside. And now let's zoom in and you'll see why I've aligned it to the inside. So that is where the stroke line is. If I select that, you can see the stroke line. And in order to get an inner stroke or an inner line, minus line, it needs to be aligned inside, or else this, because the line will be in the center, it'll be pushed out. So doing it this way, you get the line on the edge, and you'll also get the minus offset as well when we do this. Now, before I do anything else, you can actually convert the compound to curves by selecting the Move tool and then clicking on Convert to Curves. And that eliminates a lot of messing about. Okay, Layer, Expand Stroke. So now we have a stroke on that side and a stroke on that side and then a fill. We can then break this apart or divide and get rid of these stragglers, these internal parts. And now we have two layers, an inner stroke, which is a minus offset, and the original. So we can apply the style to both of these again. And they blend in, but you see what I mean if I deselect them and just select one, like so. You can see that. If I adjust the width of that, I think you'll be able to see it a little bit better. There you go. So that's the original and that's the offset. And you can turn off the original and basically run with the offset. So if I zoom out a little bit, like so, and it's all the way around the little birdie. Got it all around the scroll. Blah blah blah. Double click on it. Double click on the artboard. Zoom out. And that's basically how you get your minus offset, and you can still retain the original edge cut as well. And you get to apply a simple style instead of having to mess around with strokes and swatches all the time. You can create multiple styles for different offsets as well. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope that's explained things a little bit better for you. If it hasn't, I'm out of the country. Goodbye.